Hackathon is one of the most favorite events for our employees every year. They find it to be very inspiring. They find it to be very creative. They get a sense of team. They get to understand that the ideas are better when they're incubated amongst a whole group who will have a common mission and a common vision. To see that idea start at the beginning of the morning as nothing but just a kernel on the back of a napkin, and then by the end of the day to turn into something very real that can be demonstrated and showcased to the whole staff is really neat.
Today my team is working on a responsive website called Butter Me Up. Sometimes you have a situation where you just need to get an emergency compliment or something, you just need to be told that everything is going to be okay. And that's what our project is today.
Our theme of the Hackathon this year is joy. And that means that all of the teams are working on building something that is going to bring joy to their team, to the company, or to the world as a whole. It's somewhat of an altruistic theme. It allows everybody to connect the work that they do on the day-to-day with a greater overall mission of making people's lives better or just simply more fun.
One of the key benefits is that we get everyone in the entire organization together, and we disrupt the teams that exist outside of the hackathon. We let employees from different offices work with each other and form new relationships, form new bonds. It allows the teams to have fun, to take a mental break from their day-to-day work and do something where they're going to have an immediate visual and physical representation of their work.
I think for most of the people in the company, probably one of the best aspects about it is it gives us a chance to just kind of work on something out of the box, something a little bit out of the ordinary from what we typically work on with client projects.
This is an opportunity for everyone to just kind of explore something that they maybe don't get to on a client project, right? So if you want to try a new technology, try a different type of design, you have no one to answer to but your peers. And so working together and allowing us that opportunity is just a really great experience for all of us.
Not only does 352 consistently believe in building teams, but we believe in building these cross-functional teams that work well together. What it allows these teams to do is learn new things, learn how each other works, build better relationships, learn how to use new technology.
For the company, the most important thing is building culture. When we get together for the hackathon and we do it collaboratively across teams, it helps to really build relationships with people that you wouldn't normally work with. So that's really important and something I really value.
Another thing that we get out of the hackathon is actual tangible intellectual property that, these ideas turn into really cool things. Hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people every month are using products that came out of our past couple of hackathons. It's very rare that you get the opportunity in an organization to get everybody together and focused on the same type of creative exercise. And that's what we do when we do the hackathon. So it's a real uplifting time. It's a real energizing time for the employees to be going through this type of experience.